If you skip this video, nothing in your life is going to change. You'll still be broke, still distracted, still stuck in the same cycle. Not because you're unlucky, but because you lack discipline. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why that is and how to fix it. You don't have a money problem, you have a discipline problem. And deep down, you already know it. You know what you should be doing every single day. You know you should be learning something valuable, building something real, focusing on skills that actually make money. But instead, you keep delaying. You keep waiting. You keep telling yourself you'll start tomorrow. And tomorrow never comes. While you're thinking, someone else is working. While you're scrolling through your phone, someone else is building a skill that will pay them for years. While you're distracted, someone else is becoming more valuable. And that gap between you and them is not talent. It's not luck. It's not connections. It's discipline. The truth is simple. Success is not complicated. It's just uncomfortable. It's doing the same thing every day, even when it's boring, even when you don't feel like it, even when there are no results. And that's exactly why most people fail, because they only act when they feel motivated. And motivation is weak. It disappears fast. One bad day, one bad mood, one small distraction, and it's gone. Discipline is different. Discipline doesn't care how you feel. Discipline forces you to act, even when you're tired, even when you're lazy, even when you'd rather do anything else. And that's what separates people who win from people who stay stuck. Right now, your habits are weak, your focus is inconsistent, your execution is unstable, and your results reflect that. Because you don't get paid for what you want, you get paid for what you do consistently. And if your daily actions are not valuable, your income will never be valuable. And here's the part that hurts the most. If you keep living like this, nothing will change. Not next week, not next month, not next year. You'll still be in the same place, thinking the same thoughts, making the same excuses, getting the same results, and deep down, you know that. But here's the thing. Discipline alone is not enough, because you can be disciplined and still stay broke if you're working on the wrong things. So what you need is both discipline and direction, and that's where most people get it wrong. They either work hard with no plan, or they plan without taking action, and both lead to the same result: nothing. So let's fix that. Let's build a real system. Starting from zero, no money, no connections, no advantages, just you and your time. First, control your time. Because if you can't control your time, you can't control your life. And right now, most of your time is being wasted, scrolling, watching, consuming content that doesn't move you forward. So the first step is simple, but brutal. Cut the distractions. Even if it's just for 2 hours a day, those 2 hours can change everything if you actually focus. Second, pick one skill, not 5, not 10, one. Something that has real demand in the market. Something people are already paying for, like video editing, copywriting, content creation, digital marketing, or sales, because skills are what generate income, not ideas, not dreams, not motivation, skills. Third, practice that skill every single day, even when it feels like nothing is happening, even when you're not improving fast, because progress at the beginning is invisible, and that's why most people quit. They expect results too early, and when they don't see them, they stop. But the people who win are the ones who keep going when it feels pointless. Fourth, start posting your work. Don't wait until you're good. Don't wait until it's perfect, because perfection is just another excuse. Your first videos will be bad. Your first projects will be messy. Your first results will be small. but that's part of the process. Because content is leverage. It works for you. Even when you're not working, it attracts attention, it builds opportunities, and it creates income over time. Fifth, focus on getting your first money. Not a lot, just something. $10, $20, $50. Because that first payment changes everything. It proves that your skill has value. It proves that you can earn, and once you have that proof, your mindset shifts completely. Sixth, reinvest everything you make. Don't waste it. Don't spend it on useless things. Use it to improve your tools, upgrade your setup, learn faster, and grow faster, because reinvestment is what turns small money into real money. Seventh, repeat the process again and again, because success is not about one big moment. It's about consistency over time. It's about showing up every day, doing the work, improving slowly, and stacking small wins until they become something big. And here's the reality. Most people will not do this. Most people will hear this, feel motivated for a few minutes, and then go back to their old habits, back to scrolling, back to wasting time, back to comfort, and that's why they stay broke. But if you're different, if you actually take action, if you actually follow this process, if you actually stay disciplined when it's hard, then you separate yourself from 90% of people immediately. Not because you're smarter, not because you're special, but because you're consistent. And consistency is rare. Discipline is rare. Execution is rare. And that's why it pays. So stop waiting. Stop overthinking. Stop looking for the perfect moment, because it doesn't exist. The only thing that matters is what you do today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because your future is built by your daily actions, and if your actions don't change, your life won't change. So the question is simple. Are you going to keep making excuses, or are you finally going to start building something real? Because at the end of the day, nobody is coming to save you. No opportunity is going to magically appear. No one is going to change your life for you. It's on you, and always has been.